Hello everyone and welcome back to Sports Render. Today is Monday, August 18th, and we have a brand new update on the massive transformation of Camp Nou. From the major structural progress to some exciting new details, as you can see in these images, we'll tell you everything you need to know. So sit back and enjoy. You won't want to miss a second of this update. Let's start with the Gol South. Here, workers are dismantling temporary fences and installing permanent barriers, a clear sign that this part of the stadium is entering a more finished phase. Scaffolding and stairway panels are being removed piece by piece, while polishing machines are smoothing out exposed concrete. These details might seem small, but they'll be very noticeable when fans finally return. And yes, in this area, every step counts toward preparing safe and modern access routes for the future. Now, moving over to the diamond section near the tribune, we can see significant activity. Aluminum structures and glass panels are being put in place, completely changing the look of the facade. Inside, elevator shafts and stairwells are taking shape. Some workers are busy installing formwork panels and reinforcements for upper floors. Step by step, this area is becoming one of the most iconic architectural features of the new Camp Nou. Here's one of the biggest highlights of today's update. New steel structures are now being installed on the lateral stand. And these aren't just any beams. They're the support system for the ceramic louvers that will wrap around the stadium facade. For months, fans have been waiting to see signs of these iconic design elements, and finally, we have confirmation. The day when we'll see the first ceramic louvers is getting closer, maybe by the end of September or October. This is a huge step in bringing the futuristic vision of the Camp Nou to life. At the Gol Nord, things are also heating up. Workers are installing more transverse beams and safety nets, while cranes are lifting heavy steel structures into place. And here's the real surprise. A new mini-truss has been placed, joining the first one we saw weeks ago. 2 mini-trusses now stand tall on the north side, a key step in completing the third tier of the stadium. It's an exciting moment because it shows just how fast the upper structure is rising. Inside the stadium, there's no shortage of work. The second VIP ring is advancing, with its 3 rows of luxury seating almost ready. Glass installations are being fitted, walls are being painted, and even the presidential box is starting to look polished and refined. We've also seen images of the locker room benches fully installed and free of construction cables. Slowly but surely, these interior spaces are looking more like the finished product we've all been waiting for. And of course, the pitch itself. The grass looks beautiful, freshly watered and carefully maintained despite the summer heat. The dugouts have been completed, the player tunnels are nearly ready, and those signature blue stairways in the singing section are now fully painted. From this perspective, the stadium is beginning to feel alive again, almost ready to welcome Barca back home. So, to sum it up, from ceramic Louvre structures to new mini-trusses at the North Goal, and from glass installations to VIP seating progress, the Camp Nou is transforming at full speed. There's still a long way to go, but week by week we can see the pieces of this monumental puzzle falling into place. If you've enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Sports Render, and hit the bell so you never miss the next milestone in this incredible project. The countdown to returning home is ticking, and we'll be here to cover every step of the journey.